Dear my beloved friends, today I would like to show you a very short video about the hornbill. So I visited Phnom Penh capital, the capital of Cambodia, and I saw, some of the hornbill. I think they were introduced from the forest. So right now, I think there are around 11 or 12 of them here in the middle of Phnom Penh capital. This is not really a good way, but there must be someone bring them from the forest, and after that they release them in the city. Thank you very much for watching the short video of the wreathed hornbills. Thank you. Have a nice day.